Welcome to Enalysis, a cutting-edge platform revolutionizing the way energy professionals manage and analyze their contracts. At the heart of Enalysis lies AI-powered intelligence, built to help you identify, assess, and mitigate risks, empowering smarter, data-driven decisions that not only optimize your portfolio, but also maximize savings. Here's how it works. 1. Advanced portfolio optimization. Get real-time market insights combined with risk-adjusted performance metrics. Spot inefficiencies in your portfolio and receive tailored rebalancing recommendations so you can achieve the ideal risk-return balance. 2. AI-powered risk analysis. Our powerful algorithms dig deep, analyzing risk factors such as price volatility, regulatory shifts, and changing market dynamics, offering a complete data-backed view of your contract risks. 3rd, comprehensive market insight. In a volatile energy landscape, clarity is everything. Enalysis delivers detailed analysis across all major contract types, from fixed and time of use to index-based, market-based, and block contracts, so you can face uncertainty with confidence. 4. Customizable. Visual reports generate professional-grade reports that are easy to understand and tailored to your needs. With clear visuals and actionable insights, you'll be able to communicate even the most complex risk profiles to stakeholders effortlessly. What you gain: risk mitigation. Spot potential issues before they impact your bottom line. Cost savings. Rework your contracts for better rates and terms. Time efficiency. Automate analyses that would otherwise take days. Smarter decisions. Rely on data, not guesswork, to guide your strategy. Try it today. Use our free simulation tool to enter your historical energy contract data and see just how much you could save with Enalysis. Are you ready to optimize? Start your free assessment today and discover how Enalysis empowers energy professionals to make smarter decisions and unlock better outcomes with AI at their side.